Well, the people you bump into in Circular Quay, Sydney, we've got the team from DK Adventures. Demi, what are you guys up to?
So we are just wanting to get out there and live off grid and show people that there are so many other options available than just staying in a standalone home.
Paul, where did it all start, mate?
A long time ago, and I've finally got to this level, you know. There's been a lot of camper trailers and little pop tops and stuff along the way, and here we are today. So, yeah, it's been a while.
So, Demi, like there's a real progression here. Like Paul said, it takes a while to get to where you've got. People sitting at home saying, I would love to go and do what you're doing. What's your advice to them?
Do some research, find a few people on Insta that have some similar interests to you, and just give it a go. There's nothing to lose, just have a crack.
How did you start?
Thanks to PK is how I started, but I just found people on Insta as well, and I thought it looked fun, and I said, can we have a go?
So what did you do, Paul? Set up a page, come up with the name, then what?
Oh, that's not me, that's actually Demi, that. So
Well, there you go. I was trying to ask her and she said it was all you.
I turned the steering wheel. And,
Do you?
there,
Yeah.
And Demi's the brains.
Strong like horse, smart like tractor. So what did you do? You set up the page,
Yep.
came up with the name, obviously both your initials.
Yep.
And then what, just started showing everyone what you do?
Yeah, we just started it for our family to begin with, and then we thought, why not just explore and see what we can do if we put it on public.
So how long ago did you actually kick off the page and the travels?
The page is literally...
About a month old.
Yeah, right,
Yeah.
quite fresh.
Yep, we're freshies.
And the plan into the future, how long are you going to do this for?
Oh, it's unknown, isn't it? How long's a piece of string?
So you've got no end date?
No end date.
Possibilities endless.
You're genuinely out on the road, living in Australia, on the roads. You're homeless. How cool is
Yeah,
that?
gypsies.
Gypsies. So what do you refer to yourself as?
I'm a full-time banker, but I'm living a gypsy life.
So you still work in the banking industry?
Yep.
And
I work
Paul?
for Big Paul.
I drive a few nails in when I can.
You're a chippy.
Yeah.
You'd be a good bloke. I used to be a chippy before my nail bag shrunk. No good to me anymore. Hey, if anyone wants to follow you guys, what's your page?
DK Adventures.
There you go. Get into it. Follow these guys. Get them on the journey. And why don't you get brave like them and get on the journey yourself? You might enjoy yourself. What do you guys reckon?
Yeah.
Enjoy.